naghahanap ka ng investment na tahimik, secured, at mataas ang potential for market value appreciation, then this video is for you. It's a good day for a new property here in Nuvali. I'm Berhel, your trusted partner here in Ayala Land. Now, let's explore one of the fastest growing community here in Nuvali, Crescela Nuvali. And today, bibigyan ko yun ng latest construction update and available of units and bakit this is the best time to invest here in Crescela Nuvali. Nuvali is the Ayala Land largest eco-city in the Philippines located in Laguna and envisioned to be the Calabarzon's economic growth center. It has an area of approximately 2,500 hectares. To give you an idea, it is twice the size of Makati and 10 times the size of BGC. Nuvali is divided into 4 segments. First one is the Nuvali North. This is the main commercial business district here in Nuvali. Dito located ang newly launched Metro Nuvali. This is 200 hectares mixed-use development composed of luxury malls like Ayala Malls Nuvali, corporate and business center, civic complex, government offices, Nuvali Church, open spaces and parks, and waterfront activity. The second segment is Nuvali Central. This is the heart of Nuvali, kung saan dito nagsisimula ang mga residential community natin. Dito, meron ditong school, meron ditong condo. We have here our townhouse, and also, dito located ang 12 hectares pocket business district dito sa Central, which is the Central Block, kung saan existing na ang Merrimart and yung ongoing construction ng the shops, kung saan ito yung magbibigay convenience sa mga residente dito sa Nuvali Central. And the third and fourth segment is the Nuvali South and Nuvali Heights. And dito sa Nuvali South, dito located yung newest community natin, which is Crescela Nuvali. And ang advantage ng Nuvali, everything you need is already here, kaya mataas ang demand for both end user and investors. Now, let's talk about one of the Nuvali's newest residential community, Crescela Nuvali. Crescela Nuvali is our newly launched estate community. By the way, in Navida, we have 3 community category. Number 1, the village. This is the most affordable and entry level. The second is the settings. This is the mid to upscale level. And the third one is the estate. This is the high-end community. And Crescela Nuvali belongs to the estate category. It means napaka-premium po ng community natin dito sa Crescela. And the size of this community is just 13.5 hectares in size. And Crescela Nuvali is located at the highest peak of Nuvali. The elevation starts from 199 meters above sea level up to 225 meters above sea level. So expect po natin na mahangin na po dito sa area and malamig na po. Isa pa sa advantage dahil mataas po ang elevation is flood-free community din po tayo dito. And mayroon po tayong prime view of Mount Makiling, Laguna de Bay, or Tagaytay Ridge when facing west. Depende po ito sa facing ng property natin. The target completion date of this community is on 2028. Kaya kung hindi naman po kayo nagmamadali, na makalipat. Perfect na perfect po itong community na ito sa inyo dahil mahaba po ang payment term at makakapag-ipon pa po kayo. And as of the latest update, ongoing na ang major site development ng Crescela. Ginagawa na ang road network development, drainage system installation, electrical and water line preparation, and land grading and earthworks development. Good news ito for investor, tuloy-tuloy ang development. Ibig sabihin, secured ang project at on track ang turnover ng timeline. Here in Crescela Nuvali, you can invest for lot only and house and lot package. For those who want a flexibility, may lot-only options available. Lot sizes start from 161 square meter hanggang 194 square meter. Yan po yung pinakamalaking lot cut natin. Ang advantage ng lot-only, ideal ito for customized home, long-term investment, land banking, and pwede kang maghulugan habang tumataas ang value ng lupa mo. For end user and rental investors naman, available din ang house and lot packages. We have very limited inventory for Erin model, our 3-bedroom house and lot package dito sa Nuvali. Ipapakita ko dito sa mapa yung mga availability for Erin model. Why you need to invest now? Number 1, prices are still at the pre-selling development level. Number 2, Ayala Land project historically appreciate over time. Number 3, Nuvali continues to grow. More infrastructure and commercial areas are coming. Number 4, high rental demand in this area. So, this is it. I do hope na nakatulong po ako sa inyo. So, for more details and for the reservation of your future unit here in Crescela Nuvali, you can reach me to my Viber or WhatsApp at 0966-205-8031 or to my Facebook page and personal account, The Estate Blueprint and Berhel Torreja. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates sa Nuvali. So once again, this is Berhel Torreja, The Estate Blueprint, where your future home starts with a plan.